Today, I'm going to explain my Capstone project. The topic which I choose is observability for enterprise usage. And my project name is instead of AI, which is going to be your smart SRE sidekick to analyze, monitoring, observability logs, metrics, analyze dashboards, and so on. And so this is a high-level architecture diagram of my project. We are using the CLI interface for this chat interface and Google ADK framework for session management and others. We are having the two main agents. One is the main agent and one is the summarizer agent. The main agent is having the two MCP tools attached, which is GitHub MCP and Grafana MCP tool. And without wasting time, let's start with the demo. Let me give some simple queries. So list all the Grafana dashboard contains keywords test. Let's see what the agent does. So it's going to the main agent and it's going to utilize the Grafana MCP tool and going to bring back my response out of it. Yeah, as you can see, it is going to give the dashboard names with keyword name test in it, and it is also giving the summary. I intentionally, execute this summary agent in a parallel way so that for this demo purpose, basically. But we can, do some customizations on it when, for example, if you are doing some OSI analysis, in that case, it should give you a summary report of specific OSI findings. And let me give you the view of my dashboard here. You can see there are some test dashboards are here, so it is giving the right response back. Let me give you some more examples for this. Okay, so list all alert rules with label namespace equals synthetic monitoring. So it's again going to the main agent, and main agent is using the Grafana tool, MCP tool, and it is fetching the alert details and showing the state as inactive and some summary of it. Let me use one more sample here. Um, okay, so list top 5 GitHub repos with keyword Grafana. So it is going to use the GitHub MCP tool and bring back the top rated, top starred, GitHub repository with a keyword named Grafana, and it is giving some summary as well. And this is how you can use this agent. Let me go back to the project. Okay, so what we are accomplishing with this tool. So in this modern world, considering any bigger organization or enterprise, so it is difficult for the SRE and DevOps team to quickly go through all the incidents and alerts that is coming from different places, and they have to analyze the logs and the manual way of creating the dashboards. So a lot of these things requires a lot of human efforts and time that way. And that's where the agents comes in. So the agents are going to automatically do the complex tasks like analyzing the dashboards, alerts, and reducing the human effort and speed up the incident management process. So yeah, as I explained earlier, there are two agents and the ADK framework we used, and Gemini is Flashlight is going to use as a is used as a backend LLM for the natural language processing, and some samples are attached to here. You can just go through it, and the use cases are like you can use in daily operations, incident response, postmortem analysis, and report generation, and multiple different things. And this is the session. So main agent is managing some session. So what we learned from the training, we can invoke the memory into the agent so that you can maintain the session and history, conversation history, and some is the agent which is having the independent context and which is getting the response from main agent and getting this back. And for long-term plans, we can plan to integrate this with auto ticketing tool like ServiceNow, Slack, or PagerDuty, and also like we can add one more agent for sending the email notification. For example, if you are working on some RCA findings, it will consolidate and give you a comprehensive summary of RCA details. So I hope you like it. Thank you.